we are headed out to South OC Cars and Coffee. Never been there before, so I'm super excited. Gotta get a quick wash in so I don't show up looking like an absolute fool. Perfect. Let's get after it, baby. Yep, I know you guys are gonna kill me right here. Who's ready to get angry? You are. Oh, just did a paint correction. Desperate times call for desperate needs, boys. We're going to South OC. I don't got time to play no games. Damn. This is not really working. All these things are not coming off of the car. Yep, let's just keep. Whoa. I feel so bad about doing this, but it is what it is. Oh my God. I swear I will never do this again, but this is important. Oh God. Well, I finished washing my car. Not worth showing it to you, because guess what? Half-assed it, baby! Okay! Look who we got here, boys! Look who we got here!
What's going on, dog?
What's up, my boy? How are you? And look at this guy! Oh! What's up, bro? Good to see you, man! So yeah, as you can see, we're kind of rolling a little deep today, right?
Look through the sunbug.
Smoky? Jesus, guys, look at this thing. Oh my God.
This is stock. I think it's rated like, oh, thanks, bro. Like, what is stock? Get out of here.
Yeah, what's stock about
Gentleman's
this?
agreement, you know what I mean? Yeah. Stock, everybody, I promise.
It's not stock.
This is a little fast, I'm not gonna lie. Not a huge fan of this.
It was fun at first, but now I'm scared. I don't do it like this, dude. Dude, Frank's car is looking so fire right now. Oh my gosh. Should I gap him, dude? Well, I probably can't, so the answer to that question is no. Oh God. I let off the blow-off valve right next to him and he like darted behind me like so fast. We accept him. He can join the pack. That's so sick. Oh God, that's so sick. Oh God. Okay. All right, we're really moving now. Ouch. It's hard for me to keep up with these guys, I'm not gonna lie. All right, finally. The anxiety can stop. Oh God. Both of those cars make like 700. So that's how that was going for me. This way? They put me in the section.
Nice cage, bro.
Thank you, bro. Love that, love that. You hauling ass.
I see you hauling ass.
I wasn't even trying to. I came up with those guys and it's like inevitable.
It's like, hey, I might as well join them.
I know. Well, those are my buddies, but they just drive real fast.
At first I saw that BMW, I was like, damn, this is
Yeah.
I was looking at it, and I turned around, I see a GTR, I was like, what the?
We made it into the nice section, and there I am, just over there, just chilling. I gotta let Frank know what they did to me. They did me dirty. So as we were driving in, I was like, oh, sick, like, let me go cruise with Frank and everything, and they're like, they put me in the section. I was like, damn, they're really gonna do
just
me
like that.
I was like, for
just
real?
like that.
I
You should have came right behind me. I didn't see you. Dude.
They just do us ST boys dirty like that. There's no way around it.
Over there.
How you feeling, buddy?
Good, man. Good to see you, bro.
You too, man.
My man Frank just out here doing the absolute most, getting his coffee. 17 sugars, 13 creams later.
It was like a lot of creams. That is for sure. Dude. Three packs of sugar and a lot of cream. That thing's dark as hell, dude. It's like
No, it's not.
Dark roast coffee.
He's over here. People are just passing him in line. He's like, no, one more cream, one more cream. So stupid. First time here, this is actually pretty ridiculous. There's some real nice stuff here, let me tell you right now. Damn. This place is ridiculous. I've never seen anything like this, and the location is like pristine, let me tell you. So if you guys aren't from San Diego, I'm gonna show you around.
This thing definitely caught my eye. Walking by, I see carbon fiber on the hood and the lip, like a ton of it. And I was like, oh, cool, like let's go check this out and see what we got going on back here. Oops.
I'd say like
VF Engineering supercharger kit, dude. On an STO. It's probably what I look like when I drive my car.
Oh, skin and bones. Oh.
This is kind of like the supercar section, which is where I was turned away from, rightfully so. GT3, Aventador, GT2 RS, 512 or whatever that is, I don't even know. GT3, Huracan, Ford GT, like.
There's a whole mess of things going on here, which is exciting and depressing at the same time.
And we've got the gang of STs here per usual. Autobots, roll out. Oh, dude, here's the C5 that was cruising up with us. This was the clean one I was talking about. Now you can actually see it. So freaking clean, dude. Oh my gosh. And the interior on this thing is ridiculous, I'm sure. Yup, per usual. Damn. Let's play a little game together. Does it have power or does it have power? Oh. All right, favorite car here already right off the bat. Look at this thing, dude. All-wheel drive Civic, dude. And look at this. Yeah.
All-wheel drive.
Yeah, baby. This thing
This
rips.
thing's gonna smoke a lot of cars. It's gonna make those guys sell their Lambos and Ferraris. Like, what?
People are taking pictures of every single car around me.
Except for mine. Let's go. It's like I'm just straight up invisible, dude. Look at this. Everybody is just like walking right around me, telling me to scoot back to get better pictures of the other car. It's so funny, dude. They just don't know, dude. They just don't know about this, that's all. They just have no clue. All right, so I've got my access port hooked up here and it's reading boost pressure right up here. I'm curious to know how much pounds of boost we're running because I have not checked that in quite a while. Last time I remember, I think it was somewhere around 28 pounds. I could be wrong about that, but let's test that out and see because I have not checked that and I feel like that's kind of important. We'll also be checking for some negative corrections here, which I highly doubt we have any because we're in a really safe tune, but let's see how many pounds of boost we're running. And full throttle at 3. That should be enough to figure it out. 25.8, that's weak. No negative corrections. I feel like we can go higher than that in boost. I remember like distinctly, there's a video on it I have on my channel of us running like 28 pounds of boost or 28.5. Let's see if we can hit that number again. I think we might have detuned it a little bit since then because that's a little bit much for this turbo. This turbo likes to be sitting right around 26.5 pounds of boost, which is its like best efficiency point, and then anything over that is technically overspinning it, but that's kind of up to the tuner for interpretation. If the client says, hey, I don't care, it's probably okay. I didn't really care, so I remember hitting over 26.5. Ron, yes, I know I can't get a return on the turbo. Now that I said that, I understand that. That's fine. I'm so happy with it. I would never do that to you, even if it did fail. But guys, let's see what we can get here. So, a little uphill, let's get some load. There we go. All right, so that was 26 pounds of boost. That's pretty sick, dude. Oh, dude, I don't even have sport mode on. I'm an idiot. I don't think that's gonna actually change anything, but we'll find out, I guess, huh? Dude. This thing is an absolute menace, dude. Oh my gosh. I don't think we got any higher there. What are we clocking at? Oh, that was 27.2. Okay. Into the 27. So maybe sport mode actually does do something, because I mean that's only a pound or so higher, but hey, I don't know. Let's try again. Let's see if we can get higher than that. I don't want to be going downhill. I want to have a little bit of load, so we'll wait for this little swoop up here and we will hit it. Okay, that felt pretty good. 27.2. All right, we're climbing slowly. And negative corrections? Absolutely none. Hey, Dizzy Tuning. Hey, Jason, my boy. Hey, listen to me, brother. Thank you. No negative corrections on 27 pounds of boost. That's pretty freaking solid, dude. If you guys have not already tuned your Fiesta or Focus or RS, please check out Dizzy Tuning. Jason Chabza, he is an absolute master when it comes to tuning. Check him out, guys. He's the GOAT. Oh my God, he's goated. He's fire in the neighborhood, low-key bussin'. Oh! Also, he does pops and bangs tunes, which I know is like kind of gimmicky, but if you're into that stuff like I am, because I think it's fun, he's your man, dude. That guy is your man right there. Also, for some of you that don't understand why I'm doing this in third gear, even if I didn't have a bigger turbo, you're gonna get more load in third gear, which essentially means your motor is working harder to push the car faster. Rather than second gear, it moves so easily through that gear. Even without wheel spin, you don't really build all the boost. That's why I'm kind of picking uphill sections to test this out, to see how much boost we actually can push before we hit cutoff. And it seems to be around 27, but that's why I'm not doing this in second or first gear. You don't have enough load. That's also why tuners, when you do get into the data logging process, they have you data log in third gear as opposed to second, because A, decrease the chance of wheel spin, and B, more load. Let's try 40. Let's see how fast we can get to 70. Dude, all right, like watching that thing climb is actually kind of fun. It's a little different than the Speedo. That was still 27.2. I mean, so it looks like we're at 27. Woo! She's rowdy today, baby. And it's kind of cold out. We got like boost weather. It's like 68, 69 degrees. Let's fucking go 69. And it just feels good, dude. I'm so happy with this winter weather. This is so nice. Well, while we're here, we might as well do a little pull. I mean, it can't really hurt, right? Well, maybe it can. Yeah, baby. I like that. I like that. I like that. Oh my God, that pull was goated. Oh, still sitting at 27.2. I'm heat soaked. That's my excuse. I'm heat soaked. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hey, dude, how about I stop woo-hoo-hooing after everything? How about I just don't do that? There's no need for that, dude. I'm just nervous. I'm just shy. I'm shy. I'll never be him. That's how you shift, by the way. I don't know if you've ever looked at me shifting. I shift all my gears like that. You don't want to get too, hey, look, you don't want to get too mad at the gearbox, otherwise it gets mad back at you. Oh, looks like we have a turn. We have to downshift. Let's go here. Okay, that was very good. Oh, shit. Full power. Oh, delicate. Full power. Oh, delicate. Okay, there we go. Oh, there's horses. Any more boost? 27.2. All right, I think that's what we're maxing out at today. All right, that's gonna be the end of the video today. So yeah, we're running about 27.5 pounds of boost or so. That's a lot of boost for any car, but this car seems to handle it really well, so I'm stoked about that. Huge shout out to P1 Racing, Frank, my buddy, and I'll put the other guy's Instagram handle right here with the R33 GTR. Thing was insane. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Look forward for a video probably in the next day. So, fire in the neighborhood. Peace.